For problems like number 11, it might be easier to substitute x for cosine. So I may change this to 7x squared minus 1 equals 3x squared plus 2. You'll see I have an x squared on either side of the equal sign, so I'm going to minus 3x squared on both sides, which gives me 4x squared minus 1 equals 2. So to solve for x squared, I'm going to add 1. I get 4x squared equals 3. From here, we're going to divide both sides by 4. So x squared equals 3 divided by 4. To get rid of a square, I need to square root. So I get x equals positive and negative square root of 3, so it gives me a decimal. And the square root of 4 is 2. So now, putting cosine back, cosine of x equals negative square root of 3 over 2, and positive square root of 3 over 2. So we need to figure out where is cosine negative and positive square root of 2. To answer this is all of our pi over 6's. There's going to be all 4 of them because I want where it's positive and negative. So in the first quadrant, it's positive pi over 6. In the second quadrant, cosine is negative 5 pi over 6. In the third quadrant, cosine is negative 7 pi over 6. And in the fourth quadrant, cosine is positive 11 pi over 6. So this is where it is positive and negative square root of 3 over 2.